Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rengzone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 14, chapter 2, unit 2, matrices. Let's start with example 17. Here, example number 17. Show that the matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Satisfy the equation a square minus 5a minus 2i is equal to 0. For a square, a into a. So, solve the a into a. We will get 7, 10, 15, 22. Here, a square minus 5a minus 2i is given. I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1 form. Because this one is 2 by 2 matrix. 7, 10, 15, 22 minus 5 a value matrix of a 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 2i 1, 0, 0, 1. Now by solving this equation we will get the 0, 0, 0, 0 is equal to answer is 0. 4. Find out the a inverse. We will multiply a inverse both the sides. 0 into a inverse it becomes 0. So a inverse a square minus 5a minus 2i is equal to 0. A square minus 1, 2 minus 1 minus 5a 1 minus 1 minus 2i a inverse is equal to 0. So it becomes a minus 5i minus 2a inverse is equal to 0. So 2a inverse is equal to a minus 5i. A inverse is equal to 1 by 2 a minus 5i. So 1 by 2 a matrix of a 1 by 1 2 3 4 minus 5 by 2 1 0 0 1. Next 1 by 2 next step is 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 1 minus 0 3 by 2 minus 0 2 minus 5 by 2. By solving this we will get the matrix of A inverse minus 2 1 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So A inverse is equal to minus 2 1 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Example number 18. Find the inverse of the matrix 2 minus 3 4 minus 1. Hence, solve the system of equations 2x minus 3y is equal to 3 and 4x minus 11y is equal to 11. Inverse of 2 minus 3 4 minus 11 is 1 upon minus 22 11 2 is minus 22 plus 12 in the bracket minus 11 3 minus 4 2. One upon minus 10 minus 11 3 minus 4 2. So minus 11 by 10 minus 3 by 10 2 by 5 and minus 1 by 5. The given system of equation can be written as ax is equal to b, where a is equal to 2 minus 3 4 minus 1 x xy, b is equal to 3 11. So x is equal to xy, a inverse b. Here value of b is missing, so write down the b value matrix 3 11. So 11 by 10 take multiplication 11 by 10 into 3 minus 3 by 10 into 11. 2 by 5 into 11 minus 1 by 5 2 by 5 into 3 minus 1 by 5 into 11. So 33 by 10 minus 33 by 10. 3 2 is 6 by 5 minus 11 by 5. (33 by 10 minus 33 by 10) 0. 6 by 5 minus 11 5 minus 5 by 5. So we will get the 0 minus 1. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1. 5 here cancel, so minus 1. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1. Now example number 19. Using the inverse of the coefficient matrix, solve the following system of equations. X plus y plus z is equal to 3, x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 4, x plus 4y plus 9z is equal to 6. The given equation can be written as Ax is equal to B. A 1 1 1 1 2 3 and 1 4 9. From these equations, x is equal to xyz and B is equal to 3 4 6. Mode A, determinant of A. So 1, 18 minus 2 9s are 18 minus 4 3s are 12. Minus 1, 1 9s are 9, 1 3s are 3. Plus 1, 1 4s are 4, minus 1 2s are 2. So answer is 2 not equal to 0. The given equations are consistent and the solution is given by x is equal to A inverse B. Let us find the cofactors. For cofactors, A11 is equal to, for A11, first row, first column, 2 9s are 18, minus 4 3s are 12. For A11 is equal to 2, 9, 3, 4. Minus 1 is 2, 1 plus 1. So answer is 6. For A12, first row, second column, 1 9, 1 3, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. First row, second column, 1 3, 1 9. So minus 9 ones are 9, minus 3, minus 9 minus 3 is equal to minus 6. Same way for A21, A22, A23, A31 and A32 and A33. Then cofactor of A is equal to 1, 6 minus 6 2, minus 5 8 minus 3 1 minus 2 1. Adjoint of A, 6 minus 5 1, minus 6 8 minus 2 2 minus 3 1. So A inverse is equal to 1 upon mod A adjoint of A is equal to 1 by 2, 6 minus 5 1, minus 6 8 minus 2 2 minus 3 1. So x is equal to 1 by 2, 6 5 1 minus 6 8 minus 2 2 minus 3 1 into 3 4 6. So take multiplication. 6 3s are 18. Plus the value of 3 4 and 6. Okay, so 6 3s are 18, 4 5s are 20, 1 6 are 6, minus 6 into 3 minus 18, 8 4s are 32, minus 12, 2 here, 2 into 3 6, minus 12 plus 1 6 are 6. Here 5 is minus, there is one mistake, 6 into 3 18, minus 5 into 4 minus 20 is here, So 1 by 2, 18 plus 6, 24 minus 24, 32, 18, 12, 30, so then 2 minus 12, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 minus 12, 0. So we will get 4, 2, 0, 1 by 2. So divide by 2, 2, 1, 0. So x is equal to, put the value of x, y, z. So x is, and compare, x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to 0. Now, Cramer's rule. Solution of linear equations in 3 variables is Cramer's rule. The solution of equation a11x plus a12y plus a13z is equal to d1. a21x, a22y, a23z is equal to d2. a31x plus a32y, a33z is equal to d3 is given by x is equal to delta x by delta, y is equal to delta y by delta, z is equal to delta z by delta. Delta not equal to 0, and delta is equal to a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33. For delta x is equal to d1, a12, a13, d2, a22, a23, d3, a32, a33. Same way for y, second column, instead of second column write down d1, d2, d3. For z, instead of third column write down d1, d2, d3. If delta is equal to 0 and delta x is equal to 0, delta y is equal to 0, delta z is equal to 0, then the given equations will have infinite solutions and equations will be dependent. If delta is equal to 0 and at least delta x, delta y is equal to 0, delta z is not 0, then the equations will have solution, and the equations have no solution and the equations are said to be inconsistent. Now solve the equations. 2x minus y plus z is equal to 4, x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 12, 3x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 16. Considering the equations, 2x minus y plus z is equal to 4, x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 12, 3x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 16. Applying Cramer's rule. So x is equal to delta x by delta. So here, instead of first column, write down d1, d2, d3. So means 4, 12 and 16. 4, 12, 16. Minus 1, 1. 3, 2. 2, 3. Divide by delta is 2 minus 1, 1. 1, 3, 2. 3, 2, 3. Now, by solving this, we will get 0 by 0. Now, find out for y. Delta y by delta. For y, delta y, instead of second column, write down the d1, d2, d3, 4, 12 and 16. Delta is 0 from the first step. We have know about that delta is 0. So 0 by 0. So delta x 0, delta y 0 and also delta z 0. There the equations are dependent and will have infinite solutions. Now example 21. X plus y plus 3z is equal to 6. X minus 3y minus 3z is equal to minus 4. 5x minus 3y plus 3z is equal to 8. By applying Cramer's rule, we get x is equal to delta x by delta. 6 minus 4, 8. 1, 3 minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3, 3. Now divide by delta. So by solving this equation, we will get minus 12 by 0. Since delta x not equal to 0 and delta is equal to 0, therefore the system of equations are inconsistent. Example 22, the given equations are x plus y minus z is equal to minus 2, 3x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 13, 2x plus 7y plus 4z is equal to 31. Delta is equal to 1, 1, minus 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 7, 4. Delta x is equal to, instead of first column, write down the d1, d2 and d3, minus 2, 13, 31. For delta y, second column, and for delta z, d1, d2, d3 for third column. Now find out delta. Delta we will get the delta minus 36 by solving this matrix. Delta x we will get the 38. So delta y minus 96 and delta z1 minus 130. X is equal to delta x by delta. Put the value of delta x and delta 38 by minus 36. So it is minus 19 by 18. For y, delta y by delta, put the value of delta y and delta minus 96 minus 36. 8 by 3. 12 8s are and 12 3s are. So delta z is equal to delta z by z. Delta z by delta minus 130 by minus 36. 2 18s are 265s are 65 by 18. Choose the most appropriate option A, B, C or D. If a matrix has 16 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? So here start with first option A. 2 8s are 16, 8 1s are 8. So this is not possible. 2 8s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 1 into 16 16, 16 into 1 16. So this one is the answer. Right answer is B. After multiplying the rows and columns, we will get the elements, number of elements. So the answer is B. Let A, B and C is given. Find A plus B. A plus B. 2 minus 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 5, 6 minus 7 is equal to 2 plus 1 minus 3 plus 5, 4 plus 6, 5 minus 7 is equal to 2 plus 1 3, 5 minus 3 2, 4 plus 6 10, 5 minus 7 minus 2. So answer is 3 2 10 minus 2. Answer is A. Next, find A minus B. A minus B. So 2 minus 3, 4 5, 2 minus 3, 4 5 minus 4b, 1 5 6 minus 7, 1 5 6 minus 7. So 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5, 4 minus 6, 5 minus minus 7, so 5 plus 7. 2 minus 1 1 minus 3 minus 5 minus 8, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 7 plus 5 12. So 1 minus 8 minus 2 12. B is the right answer. For 3a minus c, 3a minus c, 3. 2 minus value of a 2 minus 3, 4 5, 2 minus 3 4 5 minus c, 2 5 3 4, 2 5 3 4. So multiply with 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 3 5s are 15 minus 2 5 3 4 is equal to 6 minus 2 minus 9 minus 5, 12 minus 3, 15 minus 4. 6 minus 2 4, minus 9 minus 5 minus 14, 12 minus 3, 9, and 15 minus 4, 11. So 4 minus 14, 9 and 11. So answer C is the right answer. Next one, A into B. So value of A is 2 minus 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. B is 1, 5, 6 minus 7. 1, 5, 6 minus 7. Now take the multiplication. So 2 into 1 minus 3 into 6. 2 into 5 plus minus 3 into minus 7. 4 into 1 plus 5 into 6. 4 into 5 plus 5 into minus 7. So 2 ones are 2 minus 18. 2 5s are 10 plus 21. 4 ones are 4 plus 30. 4 5s are 20 minus 35. Minus 16. 31. 3. 34. 30 plus 4, 34. 20 minus 35. Minus 15. So minus 16, 31, 34 minus 15. So answer A is right answer. Next is BA. So value of B is 156 minus 7. 156 minus 7 into A 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 minus 3, 4, 5. 2 minus 3, 4, 5. So first row, first column, 1 into 2 plus 5 into 4. 1 into minus 3 plus 5 into 5. 6 into 2 plus minus 7 into 4. 6 into minus 3 plus minus 7 into 5. 1 2s are 2 plus 5 4s are 20. 6 2s are 12 minus 28. Minus 3 plus 25. 6 3s are 18 minus 35. 22. 25 minus 3. 22 minus 16 minus 53. So answer is A. Next, A minus B BA multiply with A minus B BA. So first row, first column, A into A minus B into B. AB minus BA. BA minus AB. B square plus A square. AB minus AB, AB minus AB. A square minus B square 0, 0. A square plus B square. So answer is C. One, two, five, three, four, five, 6. So first multiply with 1. 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 6s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, and 5 6s are 30. So answer is 3 4 5 6, 6 8 10 12, 15 20 25 30. So answer A is right answer. Next, multiplication of two matrix. One into, directly write, 1 into 1 minus 2 into 0, 0, 3 into 3, 9, 1 into 3 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 0, 1 5s are 5 minus 4 2s are 8, 3 5s are 15, 4 1s are 4, 5 into 0 0, 6 into 3 18, 4 3s are 12, 5 2s are 10, 6 into 0 0, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 6 5s are 30, 7 1s are 7 plus 8 into 0 0, 9 3s are 27, 7 3s are 21, 8 2s are 16, 9 into 0 0, 7 5s are 35, 8 4s are 32, 9 5s are 45. So 9 plus 1 10, minus 3, 20 minus 8 12, 4 plus 18 22, 12 plus 10 22, 70, 34, 37, 35 plus 32 plus 45, 1 1 2. So right answer is for 1 into 1. Oh, okay. For 1 into 3, 3 minus 2 2s are here, four. So minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. 1 3s are 3, minus 2 2s are minus 4, and 3 0 0. So 10 minus 1 12, 22 22 70, 34 37 1 1 2. So answer is A. A is equal to 0 I 0. Find A square, where I square is equal to minus 1. A square. So A into A. 0 I 0, 0 I 0. So 0 into 0 plus I square, 0 into I 0 plus I into 0 0, I into 0 0 plus I square 0 into I, 0. Here I into 0, 0. 0 into I, 0. I into I square plus 0 into 0, 0. So I square, 0, 0, I square. So minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. So here only one option is there which have minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. So we don't have to find out a cube because the B is the right answer. Choose the correct alternative. 2 xy zp minus 9 minus 2 3 1 0 18 I yani 1 0 0 1. So here we can write 2x 2y 2z 2p minus 9 2s minus 18 9 3s 27 9 1s 9 0 is equal to 18 0 0 18. So we can write 2x minus minus plus 2x plus 18 2y minus 27 2z plus 2z minus 9 2p minus 0 is equal to 18 0 0 18. Here compare 2y minus 27 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 27 by 2. 2x plus 18 is equal to 18. So 2x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. 2z minus 9 is equal to 18. So 2z is equal to 2z minus 9 is equal to here 0. So 2z is equal to 9. So z is equal to 9 by 2. X is equal to 0 and z is equal to 9 by 2. So answer is C. Now I have put some questions for you. So solve it by yourself. So see you soon. This lecture is over. So see you soon. Bye bye.